Men over 60, what I'm about to reveal will sound completely crazy, but there's a hidden spot on your body that, when stimulated correctly for just 30 seconds, can trigger instant blood flow exactly where you need it. This simple trick activates a nerve pathway that floods your penis with blood almost immediately. This costs nothing, uses something you already own, and the science behind it is rock solid. I'm Dr. Ada James, and you need to hear this. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Have you ever heard about nerve stimulation techniques for blood flow? I'm betting you haven't, because this information stays buried in medical journals while millions of men struggle unnecessarily. Here's what nobody's telling you. There's a nerve in your body called the pudendal nerve that directly controls blood flow to your genital area. When you activate this nerve properly, it sends an immediate signal to increase circulation. The problem? Most men have no idea where this nerve is located or how to stimulate it effectively. Between your scrotum and anus lies a small area called the perineum. This isn't just random tissue, it's ground zero for the pudendal nerve. This nerve is like a master switch for your entire pelvic region. When you apply the right kind of stimulation here, you're essentially flipping that switch to the on position. Let me explain the mechanism, because understanding this is crucial. Your nervous system works like a highway system. The pudendal nerve is the main highway connecting your brain to your pelvic region. When you stimulate the perineum with specific vibration patterns, you activate this neural pathway. A 2009 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine demonstrated that perineal nerve stimulation significantly improved erectile response in men with mild to moderate dysfunction. The researchers found that targeted stimulation increased blood flow by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for arousal and relaxation. But here's the critical part most men miss. The type of stimulation matters enormously. Too much pressure? You'll desensitize the area. Too little? Nothing happens. The wrong technique? Complete waste of time. The 3 deadly mistakes. Mistake number 1. Pressing too hard. The pudendal nerve sits close to the surface. Aggressive pressure doesn't help. It actually blocks the nerve signal you're trying to activate. You need gentle, consistent stimulation. Mistake number 2. Wrong timing. This technique works best when performed 2 to 5 minutes before you need the effect. Do it too early and the response fades. Wait until you're already struggling and you've missed the optimal window. Mistake number 3. Incorrect duration. You don't need 5 minutes of stimulation. The nerve responds within 20 to 30 seconds. Longer stimulation doesn't increase the effect, it's just wasted effort. Now let me give you the precise protocol that works. Step 1. Locate your perineum. Sit comfortably and place your fingers between your scrotum and anus. You'll feel a soft area about the size of a quarter. That's your target zone. Step 2. Choose your tool. A soft bristle toothbrush is ideal because it provides gentle, consistent vibration. Make sure it's clean. Hygiene matters with sensitive areas. Step 3. Apply the technique. Place the bristles on the perineum with light pressure, just enough to make contact. Use small circular motions, creating a gentle vibration. You can also try light tapping movements. The goal is nerve stimulation, not deep tissue massage. Step 4. Time it correctly. Continue for exactly 20 to 30 seconds. Set a timer if needed. Most men feel effects within 15 seconds, but the full 30 maximizes your response. Step 5. Optimal timing. Perform this 2 to 5 minutes before intimacy, not earlier, not during. What to expect? Within 10 to 20 seconds, you should notice a tingling sensation in your pelvic region. Blood flow increases noticeably. You might feel the beginning of an erection forming without any visual or mental stimulation whatsoever. That's the pudendal nerve doing exactly what it's designed to do, triggering your body's natural arousal response. Now here's the bonus technique that doubles the effectiveness. Combine this physical stimulation with controlled breathing. While performing the toothbrush technique, breathe slowly and deliberately. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Keep this rhythm steady. Why does breathing matter? Because deep, controlled breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the same system responsible for arousal. When you combine physical nerve stimulation with controlled breathing, you're attacking the problem from two angles simultaneously. A 2011 study in psychophysiology found that controlled breathing significantly enhanced physiological arousal in men. Translation: you get faster, stronger results when you breathe correctly during the stimulation. Here's your complete protocol. Find your perineum, the area between scrotum and anus. Use a clean, soft bristle toothbrush. Apply gentle circular motions or light tapping for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly. 4 seconds in, hold 2, 4 seconds out. Perform this 2 to 5 minutes before intimacy. That's the entire system. Simple, scientifically backed, and costs absolutely nothing. Bottom line, your bathroom already contains everything you need. When you stimulate your perineum correctly for 30 seconds while controlling your breathing, you activate the pudendal nerve and trigger your body's natural blood flow response. The science is solid, the technique is simple, and it works the first time you try it. Test this tonight. Come back and leave a comment about your results. And if this helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.